Hey everybody, TheSlotCats here.
Yeah.
We're here at Cosmopolitan.
Yes.
And we found the 3 real Wicked winnings too. Just like the Buffalo, Gold, and Dragons, right?
I thought we'd give it a whirl.
Yeah, so we put $20 in, so wish us luck. Here we go.
Yeah.
We got $2 to spin. Oh, look at the Ravens. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh, bonus. Oh my God, second spin. We got the bonus. How crazy is that? And so we got $4 for the trigger. And just like the regular game, we're going to get 15 free spins. Oh my goodness, that's awesome.
You're welcome.
Yes, thank you, Chiquita. So we got $5. All right, ready? We're going to press the spin button to start. Here we go. Right? Meow. All right, here we go. Come on, re-trigger. Give us those wilds. Oh, we got the skulls. Come on, re-trigger. Come on, respin. Oh, darn it. Almost re-triggered. They were right at the top. Get it, get it, get it. Oh, we got kings. Look at the Ravens. Oh, my goodness. Ravens, Ravens! Oh, shoot. Oh, almost re-triggered. This is spin 8 of 15. Oh my goodness. Come on, we need a big line hit. Right meow. Oh, there we go. She's gonna respin. We got the goblets too. And we got the money bags.
So she's going to spin again.
Yes.
And then we get to go back for a real bonus.
Yes. That was a good line hit though. $12 and $6, $18 on that line hit.
Much more than I thought it was.
Me too.
We just got really cooked in.
It's like 3 games, 11 of 15, yeah. Let's do it. All right, help it out, baby. 24.40. Oh, nothing lined up on the second spin. All right, let's do it again. Come on, where is she? Let's get the girl. Come on, last spin. Oh, that's all right, $2. Bet $24.60 on our second spin. So we started with 20. Look how much we have, $40.
Win big, win fast.
Win big, win fast. You want to do a couple backup spins?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Here we go.
That's one.
Oh, Ravens. All right, Fred, you do it.
Here's number 2.
There we go. Oh, all right. Cashing out, $36.76. We're the TheSlotCats playing the brand new Wicked Winnings 2 3 reel.
At the Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Hey everybody, TheSlotCats here. Yes, so we are playing Piggy Bankin. There's our progressives. That's what we're chasing up there. And I got the Piggy Bankin bonus. I'm so excited. All right, wish us luck. Here we go. Piggies, come on, more pigs. Yes. All right, Fred, you try it. Come on, fill that screen up. Pig, 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 pig. Come on, piggies. More piggy, more piggies. Oh, come on, Fred. We got 2 spins left. You do it. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Oh. We need this one here to be major eligible.
That'd be awesome.
Let's get it. Piggy, piggy, piggies. Piggy, piggy, piggies.
Yes.
We're good. We are eligible for the major now. Because this is a 2x5. Oh my goodness. Are you ready?
Born ready.
I am ready too. Let's get it. Come on. We wagered for the major. Let's hit it. Show us that major. There's a minor. Show us a major. Oh, major's in there. Major. $60. All right, we'll take it.
I was hoping it was going to come around.
Me too. I was hoping. All right.
Not bad for a $1 bet.
Nope, 63 times our bet. We started with $100, so we're almost back even.
Yay.
Yes. We're still coming for you, Major.
That's right. And if not, we're going to barbecue.
Pork. We're coming back for another bonus. Whoop, whoop, $93. Thanks for watching. We're the TheSlotCats. Hey everybody, TheSlotCats here. We're here at the Cosmopolitan. We're playing Lightning Link. Look at the high limit, 10,000 for that major. Yes, please. So I just got a little bit in here, but wish us luck. $5 a spin. Here we go. See what we can do. We got about 16 spins. Only takes one. Oh my goodness. Way too early in the morning for it to be full blast. Sitting here waiting to do our Coffee with the Cats live stream. Thought we'd try a few games. Oh, come on, chip, chip, chip. Oh, that was a mini for $100. That would have been nice. Oh, come on, cases. Kings, there we go. Oh, look at that. Too bad we didn't have a car or the... Let's see what we got there. Oh, $45. Whoop, whoop. So look, I started with 80 and we're at 88. Like that. Oh, two more. Darn it. Or the briefcases. 3 of those briefcases. Come on, chips. Oh, come on. Let's get a major. Let's do it. That was a big delay. It's thinking, I'm going to pay Heidi the major. Let me line it up. There we go. Wild. That's nice. We got 5 of a kind on the cards. Ooh, what do we think this one's going to be? This is going to be a big one. Let's count it up there. Yes, please. Ready? $50. Look, I started with 80, 81, I think, and I'm up to 104. But we want a bonus. Come on. We need 6 of those chips. Chip, chip, chip. Oh, I saw the minor in that last reel. Chips, chips, chips. Oh, chips over here. Come on. Briefcase, chips. I don't even know what I want.
Bonus.
I just want a bonus. That's right. 3 of these. Or 6 of the chips. Come on. Chip, chip, chip. Oh, that was a $50 chip. Come on, the people want a bonus. Briefcase, briefcase, briefcase. Yes! The people want a bonus. And we got it. That's right. Now we want the major chip in the middle.
Yes.
Right? 10 grand.
10 grand.
Major chip in the middle. Right? Meow. Come on, let's get it. Big ones. Come on. Come on. Oh, no dead spins. Come on. Big one. Oh, where were you on the last spin? Wild. Wild. Oh, yes. Chip. $75 chip. Oh, my goodness. All right, so either let's drop the major or let's fill it in for the grand, which is $108,000. Let's do both, right? Meow. Come on, chips with words. Come on, chips. Fill it in, chips. Chip, chip, chip. Oh, come on, Fred. You do it. Chip, chip, chip. Get it. Yes. Yes. $25. Woohoo. Yes. All right. Come on, chips. Come on, more chips. Chip, chip, chip. Oh, I saw that minor again in the first reel. Come on, baby. Get it. Chips with words. Chip, 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 chip. Chip. Oh, all right.
Come on, reset that.
Let's save it. Come on. Chip, 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 chip. A chip. Yes. A $50 chip. Oh, my goodness. Ready? Come on, baby. Chip, chip, chip. Chip. Chip, 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 chip. Chip. Yes. Oh, my gosh. We need 2 more. Come on, chip. Chip, 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 chip. Right? Meow. Chip, chip, chip. Chip. Oh, okay. Come on, baby. Get it. Chip. Chip, chip, chip. Oh, last spin. Maybe? Right, meow. Chip. Come on, chip. Yes! Oh my gosh, we only need one more for $108,000. That is crazy. Here we go. Ready? Chip. Come on, chip. Oh, the music. Oh, come on. Fred's scratching it. Bring that chip. Meow. Chip, chip, chip. Chip. Oh, I just keep thinking at the last second it's going to come in there. Chip, 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 chip. Come on. chip. Oh.
That's okay. This is a heck
This
of
is
a bonus.
an awesome bonus. And I'm still in the free spin. Yep. Oh my goodness, $175.
Yeah.
Way to go. And a coin show. And we started with 80. So we already have 3 times our bet. I mean, 3 times our investment.
Yes.
Crazy.
Might help it out.
All right, help it out a little bit, baby. All right, game number 4. Come on, do it. Oh, come on, line it up. Chip, chip, chip. I saw the chip. Briefcase. Oh, okay, last spin. Come on, chip or briefcase. Darn it. Okay, well, that's all right. $185.50. We'll take it. And look, we're at 240. I started with 80.
Awesome.
So 3 times our investment. That's crazy. All right, you want to do some more spins and stop at 200?
Sure.
All right, you want to do that?
Chasing the grand.
We are chasing the grand. Come on, bonus. Let's do it. 320. Come on, chips. Oh, chips. They were right here, too. Come on, chips or briefcases. Just bonus sets, briefcase. A few more spins. Briefcase.
Right now.
Oh, come on. Oh, we need a bonus. We only got 1 more spin. Come on, let's do it. Ready? Oh, 2 more spins, right? Meow. Briefcase. Ooh. Bonus. Oh, enough for 1 more spin.
Okay.
You do it, honey.
Good.
Bonus. All right, cashing out $200. Started with 80, had a fabulous bonus.
Yes.
Let's go find another winning slot machine,
Sounds
baby.
good, baby. Let's go.
Yeah, for now.